investing in your 30s. So now you're making a bit more money, maybe starting a family, moving into a bigger apartment, maybe you bought your first house, and your appetite is kind of aggressive, but like slightly tame. But let's bring it back a bit. But still, growth matters to you. And you're starting to think about preserving some of that capital too as your life continues and you get older, and you may even start to have a bigger family. So a sample 30s portfolio is really focused on balanced growth. So in this one, I'd put in about 35% into SPY or VOO, and that gets you again that solid US core. And then I'd put a quarter of it, so 25% in QQQ, so you're keeping that growth engine alive. Bitcoin is so in front of everybody. I know I wouldn't go crazy with it, but again, 10% Bitcoin, it's optional. It's still got time to grow. Some people calling for $1 million a coin, and if it does, you got 10% of your portfolio exposed to it. So again, I would put 10% in VXUS. You still get that global reach. And now I'd put 10% in either in a gold ETF. So personally, I'd probably put it in UGL. I mean, you got your hedge against inflation, and it's a long-term store of value. And right now, central banks are gobbling that puppy up. So gold's still pretty attractive. Then I'd be looking at TLT, which are bonds basically, but longer-term bonds. So I'd add some of that bond ballast. This setup keeps you growing, but starts adding a bit of stability and protection.